Joining Medicas as a healthcare professional is simple and easy, and we'll show you how in this guide. First, visit www.medicasapp.com. Click the Sign Up button at the top right corner. Enter your mobile number, type in the CAPTCHA, and click Get OTP. You'll receive a one-time password, OTP, just enter it to verify your account. Next, choose your registration type by selecting Others. This option is designed for doctors and healthcare professionals. Fill in your first name, last name, email ID, PIN code, city, and state. Then click Submit. Once that's done, you'll see instructions on screen to email your verification documents. Send us the following at medicas@egshealth.com. The documents that need to be submitted are: your graduation certificate, physician registration certificate, specialization certificate, if applicable, a valid photo ID, and a scanned copy of a canceled check or bank account passbook. After we receive your documents, our team will review and verify them and get back to you with the next steps. Need help? Email us at info@medicasapp.com, and our onboarding team will gladly assist you. You can also use the help or WhatsApp option on the site to connect with us. We are available 24/7 for your service.